This is Group 2, and we chose to work on an open source project called Mindustry. Now, we chose to work on this project out of two project decisions, as it has more contributors than the other. Compared to the other choice, Mindustry has over 600 contributors. Now, it defines itself as a factory management game with real-time strategy and tower defense elements. It is only written in Java, or at least mostly written in Java, and recently the activity involving Mindustry has been simple changes to server links. That is recently, within the past couple of hours. It is, as stated, it has more than 600 contributors at the moment. Currently it has no open issues, but has thousands of closed issues. It has more than 100 open pull requests and over 5,000 closed. One of the most significant contributions its community has committed is adding full support for Chrome OS. In order for us to contribute to this project, we must first decide on what to contribute to. To do that, we will look at both open issues or pull requests. If there are no open issues, we must consider what to open up as an issue. Once we decide what to work on, we will look at its contribution guidelines. If we are targeting an open issue, we must consider the issue guidelines the project set up in its issues markdown file. In order to do any of this, we must first understand the code, which we consider to be a task we must undertake. After we identify what to work on, if we are working on an open issue and not helping out in an open pull request, we must then start working on fixing that issue and submitting a pull request after. We are confident in this project to work on. This is primarily because it is written in Java, which most of us have experience working with. Most, if not all, of our group members have some experience with Java. Some of us have written our own projects in it too. Also, the guidelines are very clear, including the contribution and issue guidelines. They describe what causes an issue to be closed without necessarily being resolved, so there's some level of transparency regarding decisions.